Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a quick nail tutorial on LA Colors, Dollar Tree. They got this new look going. Gonna try one last time with LA Colors and see how it goes. I bought a couple of packs. Different colors. This one is fun and vibrant. It says glue is not included. It is short. Simple instructions on the back. And it's a nice, cute mint, kind of end of summer nail look. So I am going to get my nails together off camera for you guys. I'll be back. Okay, so here I am just prepping my nails. As you can see, I am scraping away at my cuticles, just making sure that they are clean and ready for me to cut. When I tell you this is the key to making your nails last long, please do not skip this part. If you ever skip a step, make sure it's not this one, okay? Always clean and cut your cuticles. Alrighty, so as you can see, I have finished cleaning and prepping my nails, and I sorted out which nails I'm going to use also. Now, one thing about LA Colors that I don't like is that the nail sizes are not on there, so I literally have to take it, one by one to see which one will fit best on which finger. So I'm just gonna start gluing and prepping that on now for you guys. And yeah. Alrighty, and the method that I was using to do my press-ons this time was just each finger at a time, switching hands. But then later on I got tired and I just finished my right hand completely, and then I went to the left. But this is a great method for you to use to just, keep the flow of things, and also to help because especially when you have longer nails, doing this method can help you when it gets closer to the index and thumb finger, which you use mainly to help press on. So just keep that method in mind. Alrighty, so I finished. So I'm just gonna file the top of them really quickly, smooth it out, make sure it's looking nice and even for you guys, and just wanting to make sure my nails aren't rough on the top because you don't want to scratch yourself or nothing like that. So just smoothing out those rough ridges and stuff that is on the top of the nails, and yeah. Alrighty, so this is the final look, end of summer look for you guys. It's cute, it's short as usual, like it, great for work. And although I'm not the best fan of LA colors, but they did their little thing, new box, new look, so I see them. And I bought some other packs from them as well that I will definitely shoot and show you guys. And thank you for watching. Have a blessed one.